walk through that journey, maybe like a glimpse of it. Okay, so when I started my journey, the coaching journey session with Mangala, I've started with actually like how to heal and then know my patterns and then come out from my patterns, right? And then I've known about myself, my true self, and then I got to find my purpose, my values, and then my true self. From there, actually, I've know what is my barriers and then what is stopping me from from aligning towards my vision, my purpose, and then also my soulmate. So when it comes to soulmate, this is actually one thing that I've stumbled on, and then a word that could resonate is like two words. It's like my barriers and then my achievement. So I was like, I took like first I need to heal myself and then I need to achieve all these things, and then I always say that maybe I'm not ready to manifest my soulmate. And then I remember Dilip asked me like, so when you will be ready? And then so by then I said like, okay. And then also the achievement and then barriers. So when I align, so this is all that I had. And what I did is actually I was starting to aligning with my vision, who I am, being my true self, and then also stay true to my core values. And when I align myself with that, and then the second step that I did is like I focused on myself and then who I do. The part of me, like if I wanted to be a manifest my soulmate, how will I need to become? The characteristics or the qualities that I expect with my soulmate, I started to embrace that qualities within me. And then I think that there's two things that I did, two major things. Like one is aligning with my vision, staying to my true self. And then second thing is like I break all my barriers, like meeting new people. And one thing that I wanted to specify is like I was struggled or being caught up by addictive behavior and meeting new connection. So I was like, I wanted to break all of that and then being release all the shame and then guilt. I was going meet people and meeting up new people, and then I was expressing as how I am, and I said like, this is my truth, this is who I am, and I have no guilt or shame. This has to be bring towards to the light, something that was keeping me in darkness. I wanted to bring that towards light, and when I did that, a person who is just same like me, it's like a star, it get attracted towards me. And when it get attracted towards me, it was like there were no restriction, we were connected, we get connected. And then I was just being my true self. I was expressing because I was like, okay, if I wanted to manifest a soulmate, it's definitely going to be a man. And then I wanted to know like, this is my story and then this is who I am. And I wanted to hear that if from a man perspective, what do they will think? Do they will have the same perspective or not? And then I was being loved and then expressing all part of it. I was accepted. I feel safe, secure. And then the main part of it is I felt like I'm being vulnerable and I'm accepting myself. And this is who I am. And no regrets of being it, no guilt, no shame, nothing. And he saw the part of me which inside, it's like a mirror. He reflects me and then I reflected him. So we come together, we aligned, and then he was actually being thankful for him for holding a lot of space, giving me feeling safe, secure, and I'm able to trust a man. I can feel that connection. And then it felt like when we align with our vision, purpose, or whatsoever, even my manifesting my soulmate was always been the last. I didn't do anything. I was just being myself. And out of nowhere, I felt like the whole universe is conspiring in my favor, and then it all just like pumped in and aligned, and I got my soulmate. And the most important part of it is like your vision. The part of like manifesting your soulmate, and the most important part of it is like it's not what you are doing, who you are being, and then just go with it. And the most important part is like is your vision. Whenever that person is there, you should be able to recognize that person is here. Yeah.